I just came out of the airport at LAX. I hate the LAX airport. Now we're on our way. It's my sister-in-law's 40th birthday party at a club called the Sunset Room. Let's go. Hey, so we're at the venue now. I just parked the car. So anything past this, guys, don't put it. And just, you can go up to here. As long as it doesn't. I'm gonna put the bubble machine behind this one. And then this is just all like these. So I got the pedestal. This is what the cake's gonna be on. You know I'm a magician, I always say this. So I want you to come back tomorrow and you're gonna see the magic that I create. Hey everyone, so this is day 2. Last night we got out of here at a decent hour. There's a little twerks and changes we made last night that hopefully you'll get to see it. So let's go inside. You're such a crazy. Good morning.
Did we want to talk?
Yeah, like almost like horns and stuff like that. You need a backdrop.
I could bring a backdrop, but it's great. So I want it to be something that goes with her theme. Okay, something like crazy like that or whatever.
So they're gonna take a moment to share one of your favorite memories. What if they have like a whole? No. What if they have like a roster of it? Like, do you think that's gonna be in it?
Oh my God, I love these.
It feels like you went to Brazil. You went to Brazil.
So if we push the pipe and drape back a little bit, just to allow access to the men's room, then we can cover all the storage.
So here. I think we're gonna add a piece right here.
Well, then let's just add a piece.
Right here, so it blocks it off so that they don't see the furniture.
And she wants her robot people to come back here and
That's fine, if there's any space.
Yeah,
Those are all moving. All this.
Corner?
Yeah, that corner is moving for sure. Because this is, the flowers are gonna be 40. Okay, so what's happening is, this 40 that's spelled out is coming here. She's gonna be floating right here.
So
the balloons are gonna be, these big balloons, these silver ones are gonna be around it.
Okay.
So we'll leave this. We'll leave this. I like this. Maybe we move that and do it kind of sort of this way. And I don't care if it over, you know, like this, so it doesn't block too much up to here. In between the neon, we can glue this on so it has a disco ball effect to it. That can look really nice too. You'll be able to, I know it's not big, but it's what I had in the warehouse. I'm gonna take these water bottles and I'm gonna mix some of the UV paint and I'm gonna spritz it on the flowers to give it a fun effect. This is the most expensive of all colors. It's the red. So we got very little of it. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna transfer it to a water can and then I'm gonna mix it with water. The reason I wanna do all these in different color because once the light bounces off, the UV light bounces off, it looks amazing. So I'm going up, and then this is left or right. These are left or right. This is going down, this is up. Okay? it doesn't make sense because by the time you roll in and roll out, it takes time. Perfect. I think this will look cool once the lights bounce and the neon is here. I think it'll give it a different feel. You see? So the cake table is going to be right here on that square pedestal. And so these are, I think these are candles. I'm not sure. Or maybe she's using it for support for right now. Probably for support. Vic, Nazeli, you guys, she's doing the cake. Since you're doing the lighting and the power and stuff, she's got a bubble inside the cake. But the thing is, we want to roll the cake in the middle. This is why it's on rollers. But she needs a plug. How far can we go in out there? 25 feet? I think you should be fine. 25 feet, no? In the middle? So let's try it. Except I have to give credit to this because Nazeli actually executed the cake and the idea was having bubbles come out of it, and that's Yana. Crazy. Do it. That's so cute. So beautiful. Hey everyone, see, I told you I'm gonna create magic, and look at all this amazingness in this room. Lots of silver, lots of whites, lots of little textural stuff. We made it a galaxy, crazy theme for her to come see. I just got into the room. There's a couple of changes that I need to do and talk to some of the vendors and see what the lighting and the LED screen is doing, and all these photo opportunity spaces. I mean, you saw the cake a little while ago when we were putting it together, but just come and see the details. Let me walk you through. Look how stunning this 40 came out. We made it out of flowers, and then we put these really amazing, huge silver metallic balls around it. She's gonna come up and she's gonna be floating right here as the guests come in, so it's gonna be a great wow effect. And let's go back to the first photo opportunity area, which we've made out of, these have to be changed because I want the frequency to be like moving around. Let's see if we can get this working the way it needs to be. And let's go back to this area. This is the cake. And look that she's standing right there with the disco ball on top of her head. I think this is pretty phenomenal. And as you can see, this is gonna have the bubbles coming out of the cake. And then we've created another backdrop, and we've done a wall of neon lights. Hello, love. EXO ESCO, do what you love, believe in yourself, is probably the things that I go and have mottos off. And then we go into the LED screen where the DJ is. And then we have a private seating area for her right here. And then we've got this tree that we're doing with the bubbles coming out of it. And then we've got this slinky looking backdrop here as well. So anyways, wait until you see all the reaction of the guests coming in. And this is my magical event that I created for this 40th birthday for Yana. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. thank you so much for tuning in this episode of the my YouTube channel. I hope you had a fun time seeing the behind the scenes of how I create, and what an amazing team of vendors and team I have that makes this all happen. Again, thanks for tuning in, and I hope you have subscribed. Peace out.